Welcome everybody, come on in. This is called Their Creative Creations. We make wreath for occasions. Today we are making another beauty. I just got this thing of some, pine cones and forestry, which we're gonna insert into here, like that. I'm gonna get this part so it won't get out on top right here. Just pin some in here, right here, so it will stay fastened. Okay, we are working with a lot of beauties. We got these leaves, and we also got a little pumpkin, which I put a caboodle stick on, get a little bonbon. And we got some of these orange flowers and some beautiful little glittery sticks. We are also working with some ribbons. Okay, hello everybody, and thanks for coming to check out my channel. Let's get this started. Oh, I just love these colors. This is gonna be a simple one. What you gotta do is just be creative, and let's just use our imagination, and let's get this started. First thing, we're gonna put that there. Let's get some down here. Beautiful. Let's check these ones out. Let's get some yellow right up in here. Oh wow, this how that's coming out. Just the change of colors. I'll put another one down here. Oh my, look at that. How beautiful. I just love the colors of fall, they're so beautiful. Okay, and then I think we are going to get another one right here. Tone this little brown orange down a little. Close that. And I think we'll get a pumpkin up here. Let's get a pumpkin going right there. Wow, we can just move these around. Let's get some bonbons. We'll put those up in here. Stick those in there. Okay, I got these beauties. I think, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to clean her up so we could all visualize better. Let me fix my camera. And here we go. Bam. There we go. Oh my. Let's get these over here. We're going to put some of these. These are for my Christmas. I thought, hey, let's try something. Just looking at my Christmas box. All my Christmas decorations. We've got, I'm gonna put some of this bling bling on. And a couple more. Just insert them in here. There we go. Another one. Let's see. This one right here. Right there. Okay, now and I made this beautiful ribbon. I just curled the side. Let's get this guy over here. Clean up and if I could get it. I got it up in here like this. Okay, we got that there. Whoa, how gorgeous that? Then I got another piece, which I use with the handy dandy ribbon twister. I am going to put that other one right up here. Just make a hook with the wire. I'll put her in, and I think we got it, everybody. How's that? Just so beautiful. Once again, thank you all for coming to my channel. Fall is getting closer, and there's gonna be a lot of spectacular wreaths. Also December, October, can't forget about October. But anyways, just use your mind, be creative, and step back and visualize, and it will equal creation. With that said, once again, share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for the subscribers and the viewers. YouTube, thank you very much. With that said, see ya, and happy fun fall. Ooh, they came out beautiful.